Good morning, guys. Today is attempt number 2 at the waterfall. Last night the Wi-Fi stopped working, so therefore my video did not upload. The curse is too real on this trip.
Driving back from the waterfall. I need Rock and Rye over here. Out the pile. Oh, we got it.
You can't what?
I can't soak my tattoo. Oh, real quick. I'm not even a drone.
Okay, adventure to the waterfalls, successful, and now we're heading off to the... We came to the beach. We came to the beach. Oh, and on the way to the beach we saw this. If you want to know the backstory to that, you gotta check out my Snapchat at Alvin Burnsred or link in the description.
Thank you. So big.
I told you that.
Oh, it's so cute.
Two of this.
Gonna get a close-up of the sloth. Kyle, grab it. It doesn't move. Fun day at the beach. We're just gonna walk around and explore the city. Where are we? Hakui? Kawita? Just gonna explore whatever's around us, see if we can find some souvenirs. Okay guys, that is the vlog. In the comments below, tell me what your favorite part of today was, or any part of any of the past vlogs. Tell me what your favorite part was. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye!